recording the mushroom cloud. That is. Got the sparks going in and out of it. It's just like, oh, now it's bigger. Oh my goodness, this is a big tree. Me and Matt just walked it on there. We walked it right in the middle. Oh my goodness. That is awesome. That's a big tree. We just walked it on there. Me and Matt on both sides just set it right in the middle. It's awesome. It's really hot. Ooh, let them dogs out! Ooh! Ooh!
Look how high that smoke is up there. By the cloud, by the tree.
And there's a pine tree up there, so I don't know if you can see it, but it's up there. And its ashes are almost hitting it. Well, they are sitting on it somewhere. But, wow, it's really hot.